Hello students, welcome to school quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss conductor and insulator of class 10th electricity. Okay. So in previous classes, we had already discussed or we know that conductor is a substance which conduct electricity. Okay. Conductor is a material or substance that conduct electricity. And insulator is that substance that not conduct electricity. Okay. But in this video I am going to give you the reason that what happen in case of conductor, that it conduct electricity, and why insulator do not or does not conduct electricity. Okay. So let's start with conductor. Now, some of the examples of conductor are like what are conductors? Conductors are like iron, gold, copper, aluminum. These all substances are your conductor, and in all this case or in all cases of conductor, what happen? Take an example of copper. What is the atomic number of copper? 29. Okay. And now if you make electronic configuration, that is, this is what your nucleus and this is your cell. Okay. Now according to rule, you have to fill the electrons. Okay. 2, 8, 18 or 10, 1. So in case of copper, this is what? This is your outermost cell, that is valence cell. And this electron is what? Your valence electron. And this electron is your valence electron. Now if I give energy or even I give a small amount of energy to copper, then this electron get excited and free. As I gave energy or I applied potential difference, then the outer electron, that is valence electron, gets free and start moving, and as it start moving, it conduct electricity. Okay. As these electrons gets free and conduct electricity. In conductor or in many substances, of conductor, there are already free electrons. That is responsible for your current electricity, or it allows to pass your electric current. Okay. So this is the reason that why conductor conduct electricity. But what happen in case of insulator? Consider some example of insulator, that carbon, pure water, plastic and wood. These all are what? Example of insulator. But what happen in case of insulator? Take an example of carbon. Suppose this is your what? Carbon. Okay. Now there is also electron in carbon, is also there is electron, but the bonding between carbon and carbon is very strong, that this bonding of electron is very strong. And if you apply energy, so that this electron, if you applied energy to this electron, so that this electron get excited or move, but this not happen. Why? Because the bonding is too much strong. That's why electrons is not moving in insulator. So this is the reason, this is the main reason why conductor stops the flow of electric current. Okay. Or it does not conduct electricity. So this is all about your conductor and insulator. Thank you.